Welcome back to another Cracked Housing Fab video.
Today we are going to build the rear frame of our Not So Simplicity.
And if you like what we do, please like and subscribe to our videos.
Okay, because of all these different angles, we're going to have to cut along here for our rear subframe, and we are using the engine mount, the old engine mount, and the lower subframe here as our reference points because those are parallel. So we've been using them for our front control arms, and we're going to come off of that for our rear subframe.
Okay, so Kurt was able to cut this straight and nice with this edge here. So we know we have a good clean straight cut here. And then we're gonna have to come in here now and plasma cut and get rid of the bracket here, which I believe held the deck or something like that. But so I'm just gonna take the plasma cutter, cut that out, and then we'll be ready to go. Okay, so we've been working on getting everything sorted as far as cutting that off. We got that completed. And now we're working on getting our frame rail set up. So this is gonna span basically the whole width of the vehicle from the front subframe, and then it'll work its way all the way back over to the rear suspension. And then we're gonna try to kind of figure out where we need to be so we can cut everything and get it pretty close.
And we just got our brand new tires and wheels in just in time so we can get it all mocked up. They're super aggressive and they kind of have a tractor look and an ATV look. So we're pretty excited about that.
Okay, so we got everything all set. We got it leveled. We got everything measured and square. So the next thing to do is just tack it in and go from there.
Okay, so we're working on our frame here. We're gonna work on the lower part, which the lower control arm is going to mount to. We kind of have it mocked up here. We will eventually add some lower braces coming down to it, but for right now, we're gonna work on just this piece.
So we got everything completed and fully tack welded on the rear here. So we have all the full subframe built. We did some 45 angle pieces. We just thought that would look a little bit more cool. So then we got that. We built this structure in here, and this will be where our lower control arms will mount to, as well as the upper control arms. We're gonna make some tabs that will come out here, and they'll mount those to that, and then we should be good to go for the rear suspension mounting.
Okay, so we have our frame rails welded on. The overall shape of Not So Simplicity is coming together here. Today we got the lower subframe all welded up here, tacked up. So the next step is we have to get the mounts on for the control arms, but it's coming along very nicely. And then we can get our shock towers built. Of course, we got to get our rims and tires mounted up too. But it's coming along really well.
Be sure to check out our Instagram for uploads on there. Thanks for watching Cracked Housing Fab, and be sure to like and subscribe if you like our content. Welcome back to another Cracked Housing Fab video.
I thought you were gonna say more.
No. Blah.